Hi, in this video I'm looking at this problem here where we've got a map of a town called Dysart, and we want to know if the distance on the map between the high school, which is here, and the primary school, which is here, is 5 centimeters. So someone's got a ruler and they've measured the distance between the two and they've obtained 5 centimeters for that distance. What is that in real life? So basically, how big is it from more or less one side of this town to the other? The key to this question is the fact that they've given us a scale of 1:20,000. So that means that 1 unit in our map represents 20,000 units in reality. So if we have measured this in centimeters, that means that for us, 1 centimeter represents 20,000 centimeters. And we've measured 5 centimeters. And I want to know how many centimeters is that going to be in real life. Now we're going to use a method called the halo method, because we draw a bit of a half halo, showing that if I multiply 1 centimeter by something to get to 20,000 centimeters, I can draw another half halo and multiply the 5 centimeters by the same. Now 1 multiplied by what gives 20,000? Well, that would mean that we have to multiply by 20,000. So that means I've got to multiply our 20,000 by 5 centimeters. So 5 times 20,000 gives us a real-life measurement of 100,000 centimeters. Now this is a little bit unrealistic because you wouldn't go, it's 1,000 centimeters from the high school to the primary school. People can't think how far that is really. So we should convert this to meters or perhaps kilometers. Well, there's 100 centimeters in a kilometer. So our 100,000 centimeters, we remove 2 of those zeros, means that we have 1,000 meters, which means that we could probably even turn this into 1 kilometer. So we can write our answer being that the distance between the high school and the primary school is 1 kilometer. And there we have it. All we need to do is 1 times what gives 20,000. So 5 times 20,000 gives our answer. Work it out in some nice units, then we're done.